na we ya ansa na wutumi edi ewem.
Okay. Mr. D, I'm a friend, so member farm a farmer bias. Oh, because on fit, Nipani Bawa Becatcher say, me or 300 beds on Pesse, on 1 million. Into me, come meeting the sun, how many weeks? Feed bang, a Ruben now you see us, and I'm in the Siaka. Into before my barn, now I said, minimum so already.
There is this question I always ask myself: what will we do without farmers? How are we going to survive as humans without farmers? Farmers are very important. That is why Hamburg Integrated Farms, we have taken it on ourselves to delve into the lives of farmers, to know how business is going, how they are managing themselves, and how they started, basically sharing their journeys with us. I welcome you all to Hamburg Integrated Farms. My name is Sika. My guest for today is Isaka. Isaka is the owner of Zaza's farm. We are going to have an interaction with him. We'll go for a quick commercial break. When we come back, we will get started. Stay tuned.
I'm Frimpong Frederick, the head of FK Frimpong Farms. FK Frimpong Farms is a company on its own, a registered company under the Registrar General. So we help people to work on their farms, have a whole team that manages a farm from scratch, or from weeding to wherever you want us to stop under contract, and that is what we do. But we do other things like animal farming, and we do online markets and a whole lot of stuff.
Hello, my name is Dorothy. I'm the personal assistant for FK Frimpong Farms. We have lands for farmers who also want to farm or want to work on other crops. We give land for rent.
We have a total of not less than 15-20 acres, but it's scattered.
We have about 35 workers, and yes, we need workers as well to join us in our farm. And we are going to pay you whether you like it on monthly salary or wages, I mean daily.
The Agric Extension officers nominated me as one of the nominees for the awards, and God being so good, I was awarded the Municipal Best Crop Farmer. So FK Frimpong is located at Chinchin Doma Chinchin last stop.
I welcome you all back to Hamburg Integrated Farms. My guest is here with me. Let's welcome Isaka. Isaka, na bibi aboko de.
I'm here doing Biaboko.
Bidi radia say na ejime muti sen. Yeah.
Okay.
Isaka, meaning say you are into poultry farming. Maybe you have other things you have going on. Maybe you are into other forms of farming as well. But poultry farming as a sia yejina no. Me pesa odi e fa wo journey ni mu say na wo share ase da ben e na wo share ase na he fa so na say nyame de wa ba bedru. Fa ye fa wo fiti ase mu.
Okay. We started in 2019 when I was helping my auntie to sell poultry feed.
Okay.
And through that now, we started kakra and I send them and my friends started me so media kakra. And since 2019 up to date, and one year bomb kakra so.
Na che say wo auntie no na e be kan say oso won sade wura ejuma ni. Okay. Na before ubera poultry farming business yi mu no, na den na wo.
I'm a footballer.
Well, now then, ujai football ejuma because football is almost disika. Now then, ujai na decide yes we focus on poultry farming.
Injury issue like injury harm me until I have to decide now. Me start to be different. Me to me rely on football no kwa. Most of the time so come. See, I dey remember poultry.
Na che say ye di eni hwehwe mu a kwata 5 years ni a wo share ejuma yi ase na wo share ase no na emu ti sen na ekoye di.
Oh, me can say okay because me started with this type white cocks maybe 150 beds. So through that now me buy bina other land at Obo and I'm there layers 750 beds. And some manage kakra money. Into me can say challenge is so bad at least.
Not just nya ahankwana or farm no you have some to elsewhere.
Obo.
Oh, okay. And then on his side.
After Shalaja.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Okay. And you know, yanka challenges you asem. At some point, you know, challenges now will fail, no. And my fail, yes, oh. edwuma yi ɛyɛ den menya yanka megyae thought bi saa ba awotwi
If see a lot, but giving up the environment, sir. Because who's an asked to me, fan send me museum. Because sometimes with me and Baga crave now what benefit to me. Sometimes me a now we now less. So about some me for me taking the course.
okay na wo de no broilers nko a na wo anase wo layers nso
Me or layers, but you see, we me apply mouth. Me 6 weeks for customers. I'm by the far. A baby movie next week. Others also be movie in 2 weeks time.
let's talk about senia edwedie no ekọ senia wo pɛ no anase wo nya yanka nke bekọ asensa anase wo yɛ okay the pace at which business customers e ba omoto oniema no senia ekọ no saa na wo pɛ na anase mu niema
Oh, sometimes slow. Until maybe with support, maybe so I can say we be no be in advertising and because we must say like in this yeah earlier no I'm only 3 weeks now make come market until me need more sometimes and so you're more than 6 weeks you're more than 6 weeks now unya for so sir by more than 6 weeks also want extra feed and come also want extra feed and come and also yeah they want me and increase when who say boys na muswadi chino about be far maybe we fan be 20 or hardly so be fan 25
if you crowd 20 ne crampo no obobo no cry say ne boy heading
yeah until yourself also if your money until at least one say 6 weeks no am I okay obenya ho kakra na onu so afa akonya ne kakra ho yeah sometimes baby a challenges no so no so when you na a moving tema wo kom kakra ade almost
okay me ba ha me hu say enye enkokonkwan na wo you have a little bit of guinea fowl. I've seen some turkey too around and I'm
thank you so
okay. Na poultry nkwan na we now you have other forms of farming I know so uwo mu
yeah cows and sheep no but I know dey me dey buy na me gym no me dey buy because at this age you know go for pay obi only 3,000 4,000 koto kese and by this time no we say we better not there two of us with 2,700 and I'm joining so the highest home 1,002
okay and enjoy omomunye mu obo pa
me dey near cheaper because go for be far e wa hanu koton because me ba say akakra na me to so say if village never ba akakra na ni panso be far no so akonya kakra
in a village ni mpo e dey transportation ni ade no so no e was sell turn in a way a so ho be henha wo kakra na combining poultry with this animal farming as well no hardin unkwa na we anasa won krofo a omususu omu kakra in case maybe you are not around way to kwine ni ade a wo obi a wo hwe wechi take care of mwan se ne wo a wo pe no
that be mean they always mean kasa or show them am pen but at least oboa
na se wo obi wo ho no ma woni ho no no so tumi
yeah otimi show it means to me pay more than 24 hours no matter where I make or some make sure self journey me more than 24 hours maybe me piano pa by number maba until then we so be feel can no ma that better we be alright am
okay now you say even if you decide to step out I was say we see we chi say na be ya won face any challenges bi a wo be ba no okay na yemfa no yenkwa mmoa no mapomodin say na wo si ehwe omo in case say ebi yare ni ade a wo veterinary officer bi ye oba be inspect omo ana say wo twen ma ebi a wo hu say ba ko bibi ya no na wa contact omo no ma be examine say na wo si ye wo de nefa
okay we say no say I know me hu for veterinary officers me obebre until the moment I me hu sign bi no me fra obema me obe yeah na ma copy side no e dey have na me da be ma na ma stop bi ya until we sure obe say be black or white na no ashi no until by few days we say be your cry yeah until so
na Obibeka said there are many forms of farming. Your rabbit, your catfish, near dear. minim sɛ wo sɛ wo auntie na wotena ne nkyɛn ma wo hu sɛnea yesi ɛhwɛ poultry so ne adeɛ na we decide sɛ ebia wokɔ w'anim no wo be combine other ones they account and as we focus mainly on the poultry farming.
Oh, me going forward, no, may add more livestock, maybe fish farming, and yeah, maybe never be brave account. Yeah.
Let's talk about farmers in Ghana. Osha, if you are from more Ghana, mem has say no appreciation. Any about what they was say the more mono. Enough and because me I feel say we are not giving them their flowers enough. We bomb about say say ya bomb about because farmers no more who ye pam. Rolla mu play where ya brabo no very very vital. Ghana has say no Osha for treatment near the more mono any abasobody any sanya man osha ekoye and I say bibi to shema will be
To win it dear and koye. But because also farmers na kasobi wa no or pay you mano ain't no womb. Meaning be bramo die through this hardship need the way they treat you. Wow. And now I say I know I want so. Wow, better now I dream. Okasa only so sometimes we be on Fabian betu but more. It's better. Ya okaka krasa nefa. Bad treatment in there to me bad because increment within a month fit me call high 3 times in a month, 2 times in a month. Oh, and favor.
okay yamba wabo feed you so na me anka meba ho no ba wabo so ne fa ni hye misisi a enti feeding no senya wo si no fa okokoto me yese ye wo kujis ye wo ye den ka ho bebre wo feeding no senya wo si feed omo fa.
Oh, me use kujis and gafa. Which I been say about it. We say me magic starter and me all grower as well. Me to already made from factory. Me mix it. Me mix it feed. Me turn already made.
Na wadwin hu say okay maybe the abema me hu adwe me kakra what if say me sua say na mesi amex na me ame ya because me ne farmer bi din komo omo kire omo adwen say sometimes no wa wo pe ingredients ni bi na o mix ya eno mom ebo no wo fam since obekwa kwakoto eno so so
yeah no yampa o mix ebo ba before be mix no and just stress no kwa I also at least to mix it about 1 ton.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you don't know what ton. Amun san kakra, amun ton for ube mix it for a ton na. Aha. And 2 quarters and not be mix it for 5 bags. As a so best better already prepared one. But ube mix it be 1 ton na. And you know put in cotton one mix it. And you need best. Aha, and you know ube low cost kra. It's the all mixing the most. Yeah.
You've been in this farming business for 5 years. Into 5 years, you ushe wechima or started business abreya. Ubeka say poultry farming ya browa ma wetu meni ya bibiye frima ushe wecha ubeka say even though 5 years spend a menya womu but mishe mecha me who say poultry farming ya abwa me peja me si baby.
Oh yeah, honestly, abuami, yeah, because the old guy that I never be bra mommy, and I threw and my mommy won't go for me. We are minimum one in and I sometimes will be to me frail or funeral auntie prepare 100 man before this month into abuami, yeah.
Not just say abwa crampo I open doors ama ye beka ne sa. Okay, not just say ejuma no ekoye
Yeah, kasa. The all box we school fees you know. Abuami. Yeah.
Then kolansu so ofia anya no unya fimu na onso dia supportive fie nkakra na at some point no let's say unya big opportunity be na eba ne say we give you up on this farming business we jai I take opportunity na say obeka say because you are passionate about poultry farming no best take it to it.
Yeah, it depends. Maybe kind of opportunity about me. It depends because no matter how and the BS can be in the future, still I have to do it. Because when we say they be ube who say even a hand down we were home and they be a consuming now because option is so high. I know the very difficult, so maybe I crack.
Okay. Not just ejuma na ejuma no ye pa. Amanfo bi e feed ni nti no wo bi so mo kom say because feed no bo abeye den no ama cramp na no ma be mu because feed no beto na wo be feed mu ano sika wo se wunya isen fa so wo se wunya because of feed ni nti no you are not getting the right profit, but senia won so weni abre wo dwun hu de let's pray say nyankopon ebeboa wo na we be a bigger opportunities ama wa obetumi dey expand o farm no enti we and the war born dey na a big one
Oh, bunny a big.
oh born dey
Yeah,
a very
yeah.
big one.
I think that will be times 2. And I will layers in the room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Na ho no won crofo mo hwe ho dey.
Pacha, you'll be all share.
Okay. Omutumi hwe ne se na wo pe ho business dey boom e koye ti sa ha dey.
Oh, I'm here, dear. I'm here, dear. So you need to me. Actually, I'm here, dear.
E dey radi ase. Enti no 2019 also started yon. Enti yen hwe 2019 na wo start ye. Ene saa bre wo hye ase no capital a wunya ye de hye ase so obi person ono so say bre ono so venture into poultry farming na any form of farming na capital sen ahoboa sen na wo se oye den na wo so onya ansa na wa ye na age so be ra ejuma mu ye hwe tama na wo anti ho no a wo decide yourself so be ra business mu no ahoboa be na wo ye ya ansa na wo tumi edi erem.
Okay. Mr. D, I'm frame, so member farm mbua, a farmer bias. Oh, because it on fit, Nipani Bawa catcher say, me or 300 beds from Pese, 1 million. Into me, come meeting the sun, how many weeks? Feed bang, a ruben now you see us, and I'm in this young crack. Into before my barn, now I said, minimum so already.
Oh, wow.
Before my barn, I'm so already. And I will be on in the business plan, they all Pese, let me say. When we start in 560 cities pay, and I'm the starting.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know, sir. Bets you just send out the
Before 150 beds, white cocks. Then now I think 1 CD per bed.
Hey. And say no. Then I 1 CD per bed. Say no bed back here.
White cock, no. To now the highest will be now 3 CD and now 2 CD 50 pesos. Until me almost 30 years after I'm back Plymouth so check. Someone know air times 2 price near.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because you see I only 6 CD. But then
I don't know boy they saying white ones.
Yeah, almost.
And now I'm
a holding. But I'm new so as you say baby I'm do there. I'm a be pay. And our price in the white no to me na price change. Really? Yeah.
Then why is it so? Anna, but in best me normally na foreign and local.
Oh yeah, local hatchery.
Only na local. Wow. I see. Now local ones na check the other boy then saying white ones.
Because what's a white normally I'm here lowest bed organa eton. I'm no born yet in cry. And after check. Yeah.
It's over no how many days old and son what
They would yeah, maybe I'm watching bear and grab 4 p.m. Until I'm arrange bus to Accra by 12 a.m. Na bus the movie into how much now be Accra na Pakojiwa there.
Okay. Until day old chicks no na my one nye almost until how many weeks and sana be 2 weeks and 3 weeks.
Oh, I did obi wa bit my ba be say utiminya customer say university students say maybe I'm ba 3 weeks kra I'm there.
Experiments
yeah. But we must say no, we say 4 weeks you know.
Oh, okay.
So meet my 2 weeks more and I maybe meet my cassette by this time I ready. Because feed na me use and I'm page up faster.
Okay. Nice one. Yeah, bomb pie say nyame beboa. And to say no den pa na wo show abrabuma concerning in regards to your farm. No then I will try uhia pa nka unya ebeboa ma wo farm wo business yakọ eni.
Oh. See how they try your best maybe you say Ramadan so just 2 months and see if they basic or maybe afternoon I say more bets na fashion and I demand the cost. Yeah.
I see. Let's hope for the best. Na nyame nka wo ho na wontumi expand the farm no and say. Now in terms of advertising no and marketing or bet you catch me say sometimes we call market na ka wan say matrenko. Aside that no need any form of marketing bia strategy bia wo de how.
Oh, that be this WhatsApp group, farmers markets, and sometimes Facebook also, poultry farm association, or now post to into now calls about for we on one casabella. So na the from the and other boys now with the children, so many baby. And say I'm to me free. I'm boss or cantamanto, and I'm a lata. Now my analysis.
Mama does it. Nti anya no wo you are okay. You are okay. Wo dia kakra we wo se onya de unya. Ba ye bebo mpae na eja nyame aboa wo na ejuma na kɔ. Wa senia wa wo hwehwe. Enti so bi pese o contact wa ye pese o do social media handles beto abonten ana se wo number be bi ebetumi a contact wa ye frɛ wa ye benya wo fatu dwaman.
Okay, my number is 0598 360 457. And now I'm here WhatsApp number. And on Facebook, Isaka Buame.
Okay,
Yeah.
Isaka
Buame. Yeah. Facebook handle London. Yeah.
Na wawo mu 5 years ninti say obi pese oba na wo besua one or two things from you and so are you open say then how beji the bibi kakra na so ana wo de you want to focus on yours, you are not ready for that.
Oh, that be me there because one crop for February. When my last two good friends say after the I'm here, we be starting new into a frame na acquire set up of farm. And I know soon me who reason why maybe make us a mediska. Say a boy home. Yeah. Who knows maybe who bet my who then bet my baby big than mine into support to be free side of into I knew there no man. I knew there so free I mean yeah okay. The answer maybe me not time now man so
That's great. You na ye behwe na eja mbwa kakra bi aye viewers nso so wo so betumi di aboa wo no na omo so omo de aboa wo ye emre ni ntin ha sei na ye di besi te bia next time bi ye beba no na wo sheep business na wo cattle business na bia na no so aye big na next time eba be interview maybe we are going to focus on that. Yeah, so thank you very much for your time. So this is where we end today's interview. My guest for today was Isaka. He is the owner of Zaza's Farm. Yes, if you want to buy from him, if you want to do any form of business from him, yeah, his number is on the screen. Just give him a call and then he's ready with open arms. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and always let us know if we are doing a good job or not. We are also open for sponsorship. So if in case you want to sponsor this program, kindly call us on the number on the screen. My name is Sika. See you all next time. Bye.
I'm Frimpong Frederick, the head of FK Frimpong Farms. FK Frimpong Farms is a company on its own, a registered company under the Registrar General. So we help people to work on their farms, have a whole team that manages a farm from scratch, or from weeding to wherever you want us to stop under contract, and that is what we do. But we do other things like animal farming, and we do online markets and a whole lot of stuff.
Hello, my name is Isaka. I'm the personal assistant for FK Frimpong Farms. We have lands for farmers who also want to farm or want to work on other crops. We give land for rent.
We have a total of not less than 15-20 acres, but it's scattered.
We have about 35 workers, and yes, we need workers as well to join us in our farm. And we are going to pay you whether you like it on monthly salary or wages, I mean daily.
The Agric Extension officers nominated me as one of the main nominees for the awards, and God being so good, I was awarded the Municipal Best Crop Farmer. So FK Frimpong is located at Chinchin Doma, Chinchin last stop.